What's going on, everyone? It is Andrew here for AppleInsider. When we're looking for a good travel mic, it can be a little bit difficult. There's always such a range of being way too expensive, or if it's really portable, it actually sacrifices more audio quality for that portability. The Blue Raspberry fits pretty nicely there in the middle, becoming one of the best, if not the best, portable microphone that we've ever tried. Not only does it come with a compact design, but it comes with a special lightning cable to plug into your iOS device, your iPhone, or your iPad for truly mobile recordings, though there are definitely some limitations along the way. The Raspberry is definitely aiming for more of the premium end of the market, and you can tell that right away, not just from the packaging, but from the build quality of the microphone alone. It has a pretty much all metal body and even some crimson leather wrapped around the lower half of the microphone. Inside of the box, which actually has a really nice display as you open it up to reveal on the mic on the inside, you'll find the microphone with the stand already attached. Then underneath additional packaging, you'll find a little other bits and bobs. You're not going to find, however, anything like a pop screen or a windsock, and if you're looking for those after the fact, they can be definitely difficult to find. I mean, they don't actually have ones that fit this different shape of the actual microphone. So while we didn't really need a pop screen for most effects, a windsock could definitely be helpful, and you're not going to be able to find an easily one that just perfectly fits on here when you're trying to find an aftermarket solution. That makes recording outside in a whole bunch of wind a little bit of a problem with the Blue Raspberry. Inside of the box of additional components, you're going to find a few things, including a travel bag, which is always nice to throw your microphone in to help keep it protected, a few different cables, and an adapter. The two cables are going to be really important. One is going to be micro USB to USB-A to plug into your computer, your Mac, or your PC, and the other one is going to be a micro USB to Lightning. Now, there's a couple good things and bad things about this. One, on the bad side, if you ever did lose this or something happened to it, damaged it while on the go, you're going to have a really hard time finding a replacement cable because micro USB to Lightning is something that's just not going to be very easy to come by. Now, it does use USB-A, and there's no USB-C to be found, which is definitely a disadvantage and always unfortunate, but Apple doesn't allow third-party USB-C lightning cables, so that completely cut that out for Blue to even consider. Those cables will plug right into the back of the microphone where you can see the micro USB port, as well as a headphone jack, so you can plug your headphones directly into here and even control the volume of those headphones on the microphone itself. On the other side of the microphone, you will find a second knob that's used to adjust the gain or the input volume of the mic. These knobs are the only plastic part of the entire ensemble. The rest of the body, the stand, everything else is made out of metal. And there is a little bit of give in these knobs that I would prefer not been there. That's really one of my few complaints about the mic as a whole. The front of the mic just emblazoned by the blue word mark and a small little LED light to let you know when it has received power. The stand is really nice and collapses easily around the microphone. It rotates all the way around, making it easy to kind of aim the direction that you're looking for. It is nice that you can adjust the gain right on the mic, so if they're in different environments, you can adjust that up and down. The stand is also entirely removable, so depending on your situation, you get back home and if you want to use this in your studio or your office, you can attach this to a mic arm, though there will definitely be better and cheaper options if you're looking for just a microphone for inside of your studio. Aside from the build quality and audio quality, the other great thing about the Blue Raspberry is its iOS compatibility. There are tons of apps out there. We really like Just Press Record, but it also works with Spire Studio and GarageBand and just a ton of other apps. And it is very simple to work. Just simply plug it in. Depending on the app, it'll either automatically use the external mic or you'll have to choose it manually. But it works extremely easily and it works really, really well. So how does it sound? Here are a couple quick sound bites. This audio is being recorded on the Rode Podcaster microphone. This audio is recorded on the Blue Raspberry microphone. As you just heard, there was not a huge difference in audio quality between this portable tiny microphone and our nearly $300 studio microphone. The Raspberry is a fantastic portable microphone, and if you want to pick one up, you can find a link for it below in the description. Let us know what you think down below in the comments.
If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button. Also, check out our price guide, which makes it extremely easy to find the best deals on Apple products updated daily. Be sure to follow us on social media, and we'll see you in the next video.